How to create multilingual knowledge base with Document360. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, log into your Document360 account, and after that we need to add more languages for our knowledge base. So for that we will click on settings on the left inside panel, and over here we will find this option of localization and workspaces. Just click on it, and here we can see that there's just one language, which is English, and in order to get global or communicate with our customers in their own language, it is better to add more languages. So you will be able to see this option of add new language. Just simply click on it. Now you can either search for the language that you are looking for, or you can just scroll down to check out different languages that you want to add. In this video, let's take example of French, that we want to add French in our knowledge base. So we will just simply select French and add it. Seeing two languages because the account that I'm currently using is in trial phase, and as soon as I will upgrade it, I will be able to add more languages to it. So just simply click on add, and now French is also there, but as you can notice that only the globe beside English has green color, not the French. Now let's see how we can turn this one also green. So for that, just go back to your documentation, and as soon as you add more languages, you will be able to see this section on the top of your particular knowledge base. Just click on it and we will be able to see the French version of it. But this looks exactly like English. There's nothing French about it. Well, we do need to translate it. We just added a language. We still need the translations, and there are several ways to do it. The first one is that you hire a translator, and the other way is that you just simply copy it all and paste it up on Google Translate, and here get the French version of it, then paste it back on your Document360. But the catch is that Document360 makes it quite easy for us to translate our knowledge base, and for that just simply click on this option of need translation. And now you can see that there is an option of machine translate. We can translate 10,000 characters at no cost at all. So currently, if we translate this one, it will consume around 4,677 characters. In order to get more, you can simply upgrade your account or purchase more of these characters. It is absolutely doable and worth it. So let's click on machine translate, type yes over here and click yes. Wait for it to do its translation. It is absolutely AI based and automated. And now you can see that it is converted to French already. Now we can simply click on this option of publish in order to get it all green. Now as soon as we hit publish, it is published and also turns green. So this way we know exactly that the French version is also live. Now when you switch back to English, you will be able to see it in English. So this way we can manage multi-languages of our knowledge base with Document360, and it is absolutely phenomenal. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.